Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that many of you may find intriguing: how to make money on YouTube by creating viral videos consistently. If you have ever wondered how some channels seem to hit the jackpot with their content, you are in the right place. We will break it down step by step so you can start your journey in making successful videos that reach a wide audience. Imagine waking up to see your latest video has gone viral. People are watching, sharing, and commenting. Your subscriber count is climbing, and the revenue is flowing in. Sounds great, right? Well, this can be your reality if you follow some proven strategies to create engaging content that resonates with viewers. Understanding your audience. Before you even think about making a video, you need to understand who your audience is. Who are the people you want to reach? What are their interests? What kind of content do they enjoy? Start by researching popular trends and topics within your niche. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own trending page to see what people are talking about. Pay attention to comments on other videos. This will give you insights into what viewers want to see more of. Crafting your content. Now that you know your audience, it is time to create content that will grab their attention. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Start with a strong hook. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. Grab attention right away. Ask a question or present a surprising fact. Keep it engaging. Use storytelling techniques. Share personal experiences or interesting anecdotes. Keep your viewers on the edge of their seats. Quality matters. Invest in a decent camera and microphone. Good visuals and sound can make a big difference in how your video is perceived. Edit like a pro. Use editing software to cut out unnecessary parts. Add music, captions, and graphics to make it more visually appealing. Optimizing for discovery. Creating a great video is only part of the battle. You need to ensure that your video can be found by the right people. Here are some strategies to optimize your content. Use relevant keywords. Think about what words your audience might use to search for your video. Include these keywords in your title, description, and tags. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is like the cover of a book. Make it colorful and intriguing to encourage clicks. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and ask viewers for their opinions. This interaction can build a community around your channel. Promoting your videos. Once your video is live, it is time to promote it. Here are some effective ways to get your content in front of more eyes. Share on social media. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to share your video. Join groups related to your niche and share your content there. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other YouTubers can help you reach a new audience. Find creators who share a similar audience and propose collaboration ideas. Leverage email marketing. If you have an email list, send out a newsletter that includes your latest video. This can help drive traffic to your channel. Monetizing your content. Now that you have created, optimized, and promoted your videos, it is time to talk about making money. Here are several ways you can earn through your YouTube channel.
Ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can start earning money from ads shown on your videos. Sponsorships. As your channel grows, companies may reach out to you for sponsored content. Make sure to choose brands. Merchandise. If you build a loyal fan base, consider selling merchandise. This can be anything from t-shirts to digital products. Analyzing your performance. Lastly, to keep making viral videos, you need to analyze what works and what doesn't. Use YouTube Analytics to track your video performance. Look at metrics like watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. Identify which videos perform the best and try to understand why. Use this information to create future content that builds on your successes. Creating viral videos on YouTube is not just about luck. It takes understanding your audience, crafting engaging content, optimizing for discovery, promoting effectively, and analyzing your performance. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of making money on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what topics you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.